Yeah, I was not sure if I wanted to do this video because it's such an obvious one. Which NLE is the best for feature film? My name is Pascal Perrin, I'm a movie director from Canada, and today I just want to talk just quickly about which NLE I'm using for feature film. I've come from Adobe Premiere, but I think they're losing so much, I don't know, over the years, and I've been using DaVinci for the past, I don't know, it's been a while now that I've been using that, and it's just freaking amazing. I think it is the most intuitive. In general, the whole way is that when you do your editing, then you have to send it for color grading to another platform, or you have to send it to another people so that they can do the color grading. Then when you're done with the editing, you have to send it for people using Pro Tool, for example. So the problem is that when the editing is locked, you cannot change it. And I think that's so dumb, because you're always gonna want it to go back later and say, I wanna change this and that. And I think, at least for my style, because I'm doing everything alone, I do my own sound mixing, I do my own sound design. Sometimes I collaborate with other people, and what it does, it's frustrating because I'm locked. So that's why with Premiere or Final Cut, when you're done with the editing, of course you can do your sound design and everything in it, but in general, real professionals gonna send it to Pro Tools so that they can do it in 5.1 or Atmos. So they're gonna go out from that platform. But for me, what I love with DaVinci is that everything is inside. It's one ecosystem. You have editing, you have color grading, you have sound mixing, you have Fusion who do special effects and stuff like that. I'm not a big fan of Fusion. I think it's so complex for no reason. But mostly what I love is that you do your editing, and after that you can just switch to colors. So when you're bored doing editing, you can just switch to colors. You do your color grading in the most professional way with DaVinci, and then after that, if you want, you start doing your sound in Fairlight. You can do it in Atmos, you can do it in 5.1, but mostly what's cool is that you stay in the same software. You don't have to export things, you stay inside. So what it does is that when everything you're affecting stays inside. So you can go, if you just change something in the Fairlight page, it's all connected to the editing. If you just want to fix the colors and see how it looks when you do your editing, everything is just connected as one. And it's such a time saver because you don't have to export and depend on other people. So when you do your film, you have control of all aspects all at the same time, but mostly just switching from one to the other. You can go back later because you have all the files, everything is inside. So if you want to go back and fix some of the colors, if you want to go back and fix some of the sound, some of the editing, everything is inside. You're not locked, you're not dependent on other people. I'm going to do a tutorial about how I did my color grading, how I did my sound design, how I did all that stuff. I'm going to analyze the scene, but at least I can go and just really show what I've done. If you are doing feature film or any kind of project, short film, whatever, learn to do sound design, learn to do colors, learn to do editing, but at least inside you really have the freedom to just try everything, and you're never getting out of that program, and you don't have to send it to other people where you're stuck. Because after that, when the guys send you the final mix, it's pretty hard to just start and fixing it and redoing things because you're going to destroy what he's done. So you're not stuck with that time frame of the editing. So I think that's just beautiful. Anyway, it's just a quick video. So hope you liked it, but just if you do a feature film, stick with DaVinci. It's amazing. It's super cheap, $2.99 for the studio version. Otherwise it's free forever. Go DaVinci, learn how to do everything. You're going to be so much happier, and you'll see how fast it is to just go from colors to sound to editing, and you're all inside the ecosystem. It's just freaking amazing. Anyway, hit that like button, subscribe, do what you have to do, go have fun, don't think, just create, and I'll see you in the next one.